Hidden inside high-security facilities, the B-2 Spirit begins as one of the most secret aircraft ever built. Inside these restricted hangars, advanced stealth engineering takes shape. The B-2 begins with advanced composite materials designed to absorb radar signals. Every surface is shaped to reduce radar visibility and maximize stealth performance. The iconic flying wing design begins to take form inside the assembly hall. Inside, a complex structure supports extreme flight stability and strength. Special panels are installed to minimize radar detection. The seamless flying wing design is carefully integrated into a single structure. The cockpit is equipped with advanced avionics for stealth missions. Advanced avionics ensure precision control in all flight conditions. Heavy-duty landing systems are installed for long-range operations. Powerful engines are installed deep within the stealth airframe. Every system is connected through thousands of precision-engineered wires. Stealth capabilities are tested inside specialized radar chambers. A special coating enhances radar absorption and stealth performance. Every detail must pass strict military-grade inspection.
The aircraft systems come alive for the first time.
The stealth bomber prepares for ground testing. Ground tests confirm stability and control systems. Final systems checks ensure mission readiness. The engines reach full operational power for the first time. Even inside the hangar, security remains absolute.
Final inspection confirms the aircraft meets strict requirements.
The stealth bomber emerges from secrecy into the open world. From advanced materials to stealth perfection, the B-2 Spirit is born. With construction complete, the aircraft moves toward the final stage of testing. Engineers verify that the bomber remains difficult to detect on modern radar systems. The engines are pushed to operational power, generating the force needed for long-range missions. Even in darkness, the aircraft maintains the stealth profile that defines its mission. From secret engineering to stealth perfection, this is how one of history's most remarkable aircraft is created.